Hey guys, Star here. So if you're an agency owner, you want to make sure that you stay on brand. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stay cohesive with your branding and brand your payment links. Let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, so on the sub account level, we're just going to go ahead and click on payments. Once you click on payments, then you're going to see at the top right an option for settings. Go ahead and click on settings. When you click on settings, you're going to have a variety of options under settings, receipts, taxes, notifications, shipping and delivery. Just go all the way down to payment link customization. Now, what I love about this is if you want to get started really quickly, all you have to do is just change the button color or the background color by choosing a theme. So you're going to be on the choose theme option, and I can just go ahead and change this button color. Now I'm on brand, or if I want to add a color, I can also do that and add my hex code. Now, another amazing part is that you can use your brand board. So if you've already set up your brand board, just go ahead and select your brand board and it's automatically going to default to the brand board that you have selected. Now, if you have more than one brand board, just go ahead and select the brand board that you want applicable to your payment links. So you'll see here that we have this beautiful background color as well as our button color, and we're fully on brand. So go ahead and start making your branding consistent today. This is mobile responsive across a variety of different devices. And we have that effortless integration using our brand boards. So go ahead and start increasing your professionalism today.